It is never too late to learn Welsh in Monmouthshire. We have various late immersion units across the county that allows pupils to join Welsh-medium education later in their learning journey. Gadewch I ni ddechrau yn ogledd y sir yn ysgol Gymraeg y Fenni.
It's of utmost importance that the children have an opportunity to be able to learn Welsh. They may not have started in our nursery reception learning Welsh. Having a unit like this means that they have an opportunity to be able to learn Welsh at any age.
Ble mae Q yn byw nawr chi?
Ble mae Q yn byw?
Our late immersion unit ar Trochi opened in September 2025 with a little boy who moved from England. Mae'r plant yn dysgu mewn ffordd arloesol a chyfoethog lle mae'r ffocws ar dysgu geirfa. It takes around 10 weeks to get from no Welsh to fluent. The focus is on not just immersing themselves in the language, but also an environment that is happy and nurturing and safe for them to learn.
Ashley ydw I, rwy'n 8 mlynedd fwy, rwy'n byw yn y Fenni, rwy'n hapus yn y dysgu Cymraeg.
I roi'r ymdrech mae'n plant ni yn rhoi mewn i dysgu'r iaith yma. Does dim geiriau gen I esbonio ac I ddweud pa mor falch ydw I ohonyn nhw.
The county is vast and we have a lovely new Welsh-medium primary school, Ysgol Trefynnau, in the heart of the county. And we're very lucky to have a late immersion unit in Caldicot as well. Dewch gyda ni I Ysgol Sy'n.
Da, sut ydych chi? Late immersion is key in an area like this for children who might move here later on in sort of their childhood or parents who might change their mind. Having this provision for them is absolutely key. Nac ydi. Ydi chi'n gymylog? Ydi. Felly mae'r Trochi yn Ysgol y Ffin yn lle gatrefol. Mae'r plant yn dod yma I chwarae gêm a I ddysgu'r iaith mewn ffordd hwyl. Lle dydyn nhw ddim yn sylweddoli bod nhw'n dysgu trwy'r amser. We have language patterns that we practice right across the school so that when they then move back to their home classes, this isn't something that's completely new to them. And they are then provided further support with the immersion teacher where they are brought out for that focused reading and language pattern exercises as well.
Rydw i'n Ophelia, dwi'n 9 oed a dwi wedi bod yma mewn blwyddyn 3 a nawr dwi'n blwyddyn 5 a dwi'n caru siarad Cymraeg.
I'm really proud of every single child who has accessed this provision. We've had 28 success stories through our immersion class so far. And we've had success stories where they've gone on to Welsh medium comprehensives, and that just goes to show how easy it can be, that with the right teaching, with the right resources, with the right support, any child can learn this language.
You can also access late immersion provision in secondary education. Dewch gyda ni I Ysgol Gwent East Coed.
Primarily Year 7 and 8, we welcome them with open arms. It's a fantastic opportunity to engage with the Welsh language, to become fluent. It takes a while, it doesn't take just a term, but with the support of the language immersion unit and all the staff and all your friends, you will definitely become fluent. Dim yn gyda ni gemau, ni yn ysgrifennu bod pawb ddim yn meddwl ein bod ni, ond ni'n cael pob math o brofiadau I ddysgu'r iaith ac I ddysgu am pynciau newydd yn yr ysgol, fel ein bod ni'n gallu bod yn rhan o'r brif ffrwd wedyn.
Helo, fy enw fi yw Harvey a dwi'n mewn blwyddyn 7 mewn Gwent East Coed. Dwi'n wedi bod mewn y Trochi a dwi'n mor bryd bod ni'n gallu siarad Cymraeg.
I'm extremely proud of the provision that we've created here in Gwent East Coed. We've got a number of students now who are in Year 11 and a number of them have been predicted A-stars in Welsh. It's never ever too late. Whatever your ability, whatever your interests, you can do everything bilingually. It is never too late to start.